Hey there, and welcome back. So, in this exercise, we are really going to be having a lot of fun. I really love the look we're going to be achieving in this exercise. So, this is what we will be creating in this exercise. So, this is what I call the advanced stretched pixel glitch artwork. Now we can see all the details, you can see the glitch, and yeah. So, this is what we are going to work on. So, go back to Photoshop and let's go ahead and create a new document. So let's have 3000 by 3000 pixels, 3000 by 3000 pixels, and for our resolution 72 will be just perfect. So hit create, and now go ahead and place our file. So please embed it and come to our folder, and we see this image, this Carl Rayson. Click on the image and place. Perfect. And next thing I'll do is just right click on my image, and we can not yet, let's not right click yet. So let's just delete this background layer. So just unlock it and delete it. Yeah, delete. Now the next thing I'll do is just bring my image down like this and just scale my image. So I'm scaling my image to fit into my frame. Perfect. So perfect. And now I'll just right click on my image and then rasterize my image. Now I want to scale, or rather crop my image and get the feel or the content aware feel effect applied to my image. So what I will do is just select my crop tool, select my layer, then come here and then come to content aware, content aware field, and I'll just click and then just scale this, okay, so that I allow Photoshop to fill in the blank space for me. So I will just release this here and maybe just move my image up a bit. Perfect. So this will do, and all I need to do is to click OK, and Photoshop will just fill in the blank space for me. Perfect. So Photoshop has filled in the blank space for us, and the next thing we'll do is just select our layer or image and then come to image and then come to our image rotation. Let's just do a clockwise rotation of 90 degrees because this effect will only work for us in the desired manner when we rotate our image like this. So go to filters and then go to stylize and then wind. So click on wind. Now yours should be on wind, okay, or on blast. I think wind. So you want to bring it to stagger. So bring it to stagger, and let's just zoom out to see what we get. So this is what we will get with stagger, and we can move from right to, or rather from the right and also from the left. Or we want to move from the right, just like this. Okay, and just hit OK. You see, I forgot to duplicate my layer, so I'll just undo, and let's just duplicate our layer because we need a duplicate of our layer. So Ctrl J to duplicate my layer, and I'll just make this guy a smart object so as to be really safe. Okay, we don't want to take any chances. So select your copy and now rotate your image. So image rotation and clockwise 90 degrees. Perfect. Now just go ahead and put or add your effect, that stylize, and then wind, and of course it should be stagger and then from the right. So hit OK. Now we have our effect. Now we need to just add this effect over and over again, and just come to filters, and you're going to see that we can add our effects from here. Okay, so it remembers our last effect. So click wind and we have our effect added again. So we just need to keep clicking wind, and we have this shortcut Alt Control F, which is Option Command F on the Mac. So Option Command F or Alt Control F. So just do it a couple of times. Just keep doing it till you totally distort your image. Okay, so you're going to see the level at which I'll stop. So just make sure you reach that level before you stop. So I'll just keep doing it, and I'll just fast forward the video and we'll get to the last point. Perfect. So guys, this is what we have, and you should try to make sure yours looks like this. Okay, so go ahead and go to image rotation, and counterclockwise 90 degrees. So we bring back our image rotation, and now this is basically what we have. Okay, so select the background layer, that's the not background layer, the backup layer, and just Ctrl J to duplicate it. Let's hide this one. So bring this guy on top, and we want to crop out our subject from the background. Now we're just going to use our object selection tool here. So you just need to click, the Photoshop will do its thing and just select our subject. So our selection mustn't be perfect, mustn't be crystal perfect, just do a decent selection. So Ctrl J, and we can see that the object selection tool does a really good job with selecting the image. Now bring this guy below. Now we just need to give it a mask. So create a mask, hit B, the brush, and we need to start painting. Okay, so we need to erase our subject. So I'll just undo a couple of times so that I can use a smooth brush. So our hardness should be very low. Just increase the size and just start painting just to fade out your subject. Okay, perfect. So you can always adjust your brush size depending on the area. So you can see that places like this, I'm using a smaller brush, okay, because I want my top to be my character's head, and then the bottom should be this our wind effect, right? Perfect. That's basically what I want to achieve. So we do this. So I just hit X to invert the color so that I can just achieve some detailing for the face here. Okay, for parts like this. Perfect. So I like what we have. Now the next thing I'll do is create our glitch effect. So select my character layer here, or my subject, and Ctrl J to duplicate the layer, and then go into your blending options. So in your blending options, you want to uncheck the green channel and the blue channel, and just leave the red channel. So hit OK, and now you know what we do, right? You just need to move your red channel to the right hand side a bit. So just offset the position. You can see that we are now getting our glitch effect, our color glitch effect. Perfect. So we want to also do this to this layer. So Ctrl J, go in to your blending options, uncheck green and blue, hit OK, and just offset the position using the keyboard arrow keys. Perfect. So basically this is what we have, and we can maybe Ctrl G on this and just scale it up. Okay, scale it up. I'm holding on Alt or Option, the mark, to scale this guy up. Maybe just add, or just use a blending mode. Let's just go around the blending modes and see. Color dodge. So I'll use color dodge and I'll reduce the opacity to 33. That's our artwork. If you want to add a text, feel free to. I'll just add a text. I'll say glitch. In selecting my text, I'll just come down and select my background layer. Select this guy and I'll just align my text to my background. So this is what we have. We can see that my text font is Sierra Pro and it's bold, right? It's 280 pixels or points large. I just want to scale this a bit. I don't know why it's selecting it and moving it instead. Okay, let's just scale it. Let me just scale it to this big and select my background layer once again and align my background with my text. So basically, this is what we have, and we can go forward to add other things. We can add color lookup, we can add a gradient adjustment, okay, and just play around and see the different variations of this artwork which we can generate. Okay, so that's basically it for this exercise. So go ahead and save your file, so Ctrl S, and just save this as advanced. Now this is the name, advanced stretched pixel glitch artwork. So I'll just delete the .jpeg and hit save. Perfect. So basically that's it for this exercise, and that's it for this module. In the next video, we're going to be taking our homeworks for this module. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Hey, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. We post new videos every week covering topics in the fields of graphic design and illustration, motion graphics and video, branding, and more. If you want to support us and get access to exclusive benefits such as the project files we use in our classes, a live chat with us, shoutouts, and more, consider becoming a patron on Patreon. You can join for as little as $3 a month, and the link to our Patreon page is in the description below. And if you want to take your learning to the next level, you can check out the complete course, of which this episode is a part of. And in the complete course, you get access to more than 10 hours of video lessons, project files and resources, class exercises, a Q&A section, a certificate of completion, and more. You can get the course for a special discount by using the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.